Oh, she's not happy. So guys, I put the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Port Severn blades on the Hampton Bay Glendale motor. And it looks nice, actually, I'm not gonna lie. It looks really nice. And that's not bad at all. That looks really nice. I say this is better, though, but it looks really nice. Yeah. Let's see how powerful the Glendale motor is to push these fans, or fan blades. So we're starting on low speed. These blade brackets are kind of off balance, so the fan may wobble. It's going pretty quickly so far. Already, I don't really feel that much air coming out the fan. I don't know, actually. That's kind of weird. The blade pitches are okay, though. But I don't feel that much air on low speed. Oh, wait, never mind. I can feel it just a little. Medium. Yeah, it's taking its time to catch up to its speed. These fan blades are pretty heavy. But I can feel it a little bit. Fan is starting to wobble a little bit because it's off balanced. The blade arms are off balance. These are not the original. These are it right here, and these are nicely balanced. So I can feel a little bit of air, not much though. High speed. Yeah, that's all right. It's already starting to blow some good air actually. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of air actually. I'm not gonna lie. Not as much as the original, but that's actually pretty good. It's pretty slow though. I'm not gonna lie. And it's pretty wobbly as well. That's all because this blade is not balanced. Yeah. Well, guys, it's back to normal. Oh, Glendale, the good dude, the good dude, the good dude.